Have you ever heard about Bermuda Triangle? This is one of the most dangerous places on earth. It is famous that people never return from here. This place is not located on another planet or out of Earth. This place is located near America. We shall discover very strange and interesting news about Bermuda Triangle. But if you are new at our YouTube channel, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. I am Mubashir Ali Sheikh and welcome to Knowledge About Everything. Bermuda Triangle, also called Devil's Triangle, is a very strange place located on western part of North Atlantic Ocean. This place is very famous for its mysteries around the world. Hundreds of aircrafts and thousands of ships disappeared here and were never looked again. This forms a triangle between Bermuda, Florida, and Puerto Rico and surrounds an area of 7 lakh square kilometers. During 1970, a person successfully rescued himself from this dangerous place and disclosed the astonishing mysteries of Bermuda Triangle. This was Bruce Gunnan, who was traveling from Bahamas to Florida on aeroplane with his father during 1970. But suddenly, clear sky around them shaped into thrilling and lightning. They felt entering their airplane into a tunnel which was 10 miles long and 1 mile wide. But when they entered this tunnel, they started becoming narrow. Their eyes were not believing what was happening in their surrounding. They speed up their plane at 230 miles per hour. Very strange rays were surrounding them. With the passage of time, the waves was becoming more dark and deep, and they were limited to a cyclone that could not be crossed. They were seeing clear sky behind the rays. Suddenly, they came out this tunnel, but here, the sky was yellowish. This was very unusual for them. When they looked back, they saw a small circle moving clockwise. They have traveled several hundred miles in only 30 minutes during that startling condition. They have reached beach of Miami. This mishap affected Bruce Gunnan's life very badly. According to him, there is electric fog here which affects the things moving here. Gunnan spent his whole life disclosing the real facts about Bermuda Triangle, and also he wrote a book naming The Fog, in which there are threatening news about Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda Triangle is famous for its unusual conditions since centuries. In 1492, the well-known tourist Christopher Columbus passed by this place. He noticed a candle which raised from water and disappeared in the sky. His compass was also behaving very strangely here. The lightning from candle arose his intentions about this place. The greatest disaster in Bermuda Triangle happened during 4th of March 1918 when American naval ship loading 309 workers disappeared here. This resulted in very massive deaths without war in American history, which were 309. During World War II, 2 American naval ships destroyed here. In 1927, first time an aeroplane was passed from that place. The pilot was Charles Lindbergh, who was traveling from Cuba to Bermuda. When he passed by this place, he also noticed strange fog around him and his navigation system was not working properly. But he remained successful while crossing it and also spent his life while disclosing the real facts about Bermuda. However, one of the biggest disasters in Bermuda Triangle happened on December 1945, which startled the world. This was air flight of American Navy, Flight 19, in which there were 14 bombers torpedo planes going on their casual training flight. 5 out of 14 planes have to pass through North Atlantic Ocean, but when they appeared on Bermuda Triangle, their connection with radar was cut off. Their commander, Charles Taylor, also reported unusual conditions, but suddenly these 5 planes disappeared and were never found again. American Navy also sent its one plane in search of that planes, but he also disappeared. This caused a massive loss to American Navy. There are many theories about Bermuda Triangle. A team of British scientists belonging to University of Southampton research published a report. According to this report, there are huge waves in Bermuda Triangle that become 30 meters long, and their strong pressure could not be endured by any ship. There could be a loving storm also, which spread in three directions. Not only that, a scientist team of American University of Colorado viewed satellite weather images of Bermuda Triangle. According to them, there are hexagonal clouds here and they behave like air bombs in strong air. Air speed can even accelerate more than 170 miles per hour and can result in 45 feet high, and no ship and aircraft can bear these waves. But some people even think Bermuda Triangle as a residence of aliens. But if you have watched our video of aliens, then this seems not to be reality. Some people even think water spirits and souls and even of Dajjal present here. What are your beliefs about Bermuda Triangle? Must express in the comment section. In 1915, famous scientist Albert Einstein said that massive objects create a wormhole or distortion around them due to their high weight. They rotate the things in certain circle-like boundary. In 2011, NASA published a report based on 47 years of research. According to that, dimples of Earth are also present in space. Even scientist Stephen Hawking believed that we need wormholes or specific tunnels to move from one star to another in reaching in reasonable time. These things tell us about wormhole in Bermuda Triangle. But Bruce Gardner and Charles Lindbergh about electric frog. What's the reality is behind? Do you know? Recently, an American Navy cargo ship, El Faro, lost in the Bermuda Triangle. This ship disappeared from the radar from 1st of October 2015, and its lost body parts become a symbol of its destruction when they were found from beach. All these things show the dangerous and interesting mystery behind Bermuda Triangle. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, وَيَخْلَقُ مَا لَا تَعْلَمُونَ, and we have made things which you don't know. Probably that's why we do not know about Bermuda Triangle 100% right now. Until now we can make prayers beside doing hard work on this site. If you have liked our video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share the video in your friends. Thanks for listening.